Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was one of the major English poets and critics of the Victorian age. He is remembered not only as a poet but also as one of the greatest literary and social critics of his time. His writings reflect the conflict between faith and doubt, the search for meaning, and the problems of modern life. He was born on December 24, 1822, in Laleham, Middlesex, England, and his father, Dr. Thomas Arnold, was the famous headmaster of Rugby School known for his educational reforms, and his mother was Mary Penrose Arnold, a deeply religious and cultured woman. And Matthew Arnold grew up in an educated and disciplined atmosphere which shaped his moral and intellectual character. He studied first at Winchester College and later at Rugby School, where his father was the headmaster. After that, he attended Balliol College, Oxford, where he excelled in classical studies and won the Newdigate Prize for his poem Cromwell. And in 1847, Arnold became private secretary to Lord Lansdowne, and in 1851 he was appointed inspector of schools, a position he held for more than 30 years. And this job allowed him to travel widely across England and Europe, studying education systems and social conditions. He was also elected professor of poetry at Oxford University in 1857, where his lectures on literary criticism made a deep impact. And he began writing poetry in the 1840s. His poetry expresses a deep sense of sadness, moral reflection, and spiritual questioning. His works are The State Traveller and Other Poems, Empedocles on Edna and Other Poems, A New Edition, Thyrsis, an elegy for his friend Arthur Hugh Clarke, and Our Witch, one of his most famous poems expressing loss of faith and certainty in the modern age. And his major works, Prose and Criticism, Essay in Criticism, Culture and Anarchy, Literature and Dogma. And his prose work shows his belief in the power of culture, religion and education to improve society. And themes in his work are conflict between faith and doubt, search for truth and moral values, criticism of modern society, materialism, importance of culture and education, the role of poetry as a moral guide. Arnold believed that in a world losing faith in religion, poetry should replace religion as the guide of human spirit. And he married Frances Lucy Whiteway in 1851 and they had several children. He was a devoted family man and often wrote about domestic love and personal sorrow. He died suddenly on April 15, 1888 of a heart attack while running to meet his daughter in Liverpool, England, and he was 65 years old. And his influence as both a poet and critic is immense. As a poet, he reached the Romantic and Victorian periods. As a critic, he laid the foundation of modern literary criticism, stressing the need for high seriousness in literature. His ideas on culture, education, and morality remain relevant even today.